All right, today I'm doodling the weird alien monster brain. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So I don't know where I saw this like surgery of a lobotomy slash brain removal. I don't know what's going on. What's going on here is this guy has no cranium on top of his head, so his brain is out there for everyone to see. So I used the same pen throughout this whole drawing. I mean, other than the airbrush, okay? I did the airbrush at the very beginning, but the rest of it from here on out is the same pen. So I kept it simple. I did a different nose on it than I originally kind of doodled in with the airbrush, but the brain, when it comes to the brains are kind of hard to draw because they have all those creases and wrinkles. So I kind of tried not to overthink it and just drew a bunch of lines on there and then went in with a lighter color to kind of show the highlights. Again, maybe I could have done better. I could probably use more practice on drawing brains, but for now, not bad. I'm okay with that one. Again, yeah, use the same pen throughout the whole thing. So I just colored it in. No halftones, no weird shading. It's just pretty much different shades of color with the same pen. So yeah, no nose, gave him the pointy ears, yellow eyes on this one. Yeah, there you go. I don't know. What does it mean? Who knows? It's a doodle. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for hanging around. I'll see you.